Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. This is the 3rd generation of their smart speaker in the Echo series, and it has the Amazon Alexa assistant built in. So let's get straight into it. So taking a quick look around the box, we can see on the front, we have the Echo Dot branding. It says, add Alexa to any room. It's got some examples of what you could say to it. We've also got the Amazon logo and a picture of the speaker itself. On the right side of the box, we've got some information about its hardware inside of it. On the back of it, it has some information about adding Alexa to any room, designed around your voice control music throughout your home, and also using smart home devices hands-free. And then this is the left side of the box. It says explore thousands of skills, and you've got just a few of the apps that it does support. And there are many apps that you can use with this. And it says what's included, and you get the Amazon Echo Dot itself and the power adapter. So we can now put this on the table and get the unboxing knife, and we can just slice it open here like so. And there we go. So now we can just pull up the top, and then it opens the box like so. So now we've got it open. We can see we're greeted with the speaker first up. So we can pull that out, and we'll take a closer look at this in a second. But first we'll have a look at what else is in the box. You can see underneath the speaker it has Echo Dot instructions. Just tip that out. We've got a couple of pamphlets here and some things to try, it says. Put that to the side. And then underneath this little blue bit of packaging, we have the power AC adapter with some Amazon branding on the power brick. So put that to the side, and now we'll have a closer look at the speaker itself. So it's in this little plastic packaging, so we can peel off the plastic around it to reveal the speaker itself. There we go. And now we can see the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. So around the side, it's got this mesh sort of grill covering the speaker, which is quite nice. On the back, we've got the power in port and also a 3.5mm headphone jack in there, which means you can connect it to other speakers. You've got the volume up and down buttons, a mute button, and also a power button. Now, next to all these buttons, you've also got the microphones that it will use to better hear your voice. So yeah, that's basically the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. I'm going to be doing the setup process shortly after this, so let me know if you'd like to see a review of this device once I use it for a couple of weeks, because this will be very interesting to see how it goes, and I'm happy to make one if you would like to see it. Thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.